The IR550 is a microprocessor-controlled closed-loop system, using real-time component temperature measurement, giving feedback to a microprocessor, and driving the heaters according to the profile parameters that you have set. The IR550 uses medium wavelength dark IR for both top and bottom radiators. The top side radiator, you can control the heating spot size by adjusting the apertures for both the Y direction and for the X direction, thus eliminating the need for component-specific nozzles. Possible settings are from 60 by 60 millimeters down to 20 by 20 millimeters. Also integrated into the topside radiator is a spring-loaded vacuum pipette for component removal. The digital display on the IR550 shows the real-time temperature of the activated control sensor. The IR550 has two temperature measurement channels: the IR sensor, which is a non-contact pyrometer, as well as a K-type thermocouple input. Either of these sensors can be used to control the closed-loop process. Topside cooling fan has an integrated laser pointer for component positioning. Additionally, there is a bottom side cooling fan as well. To start a rework process, you position the board with the laser pointer and bring the topside radiator to the forward position. The RPC camera can then be positioned to view the rework process. Again, the IR550 is a microprocessor-controlled closed-loop system taking real-time component temperature measurement, giving feedback to a microprocessor, and driving the heaters according to the profile parameters. This makes creating a profile very quick and easy because of the real-time temperature feedback, which is ultimately controlling the entire heating process. During a desoldering profile, a window appears instructing the operator to push down the vacuum pipette. After the component has been removed, the heaters automatically turn off. The component can be set on the provided tray for cooling. The topside cooling fan automatically turns on after a heating process. Additionally, the bottom cooling fan can be turned on to help aid the cooling process. The integrated soldering iron station, the Digital 2000, can be utilized to do the pad prep of the board before placement of another component. Using a 612 TW TechWell tip, a solder bumping method can be used to bump each pad. The Ursa dip and print station can be used to get an even flux distribution on the component. Our component is placed on the component tray. To pick up the component, we drive the head down and then we want to dip the component into our flux tray. With the vision box of the placement system, we're able to see in red the BGA solder spheres and in white the pads on the board. Using the integrated X and Y fine adjustment knobs as well as the theta adjustment knob, we're able to align the component and place it on the board. After the appropriate profile has been activated, the soldering process can be started by bringing in the top radiator once again. After the heating process is finished, the heaters automatically turn off, the topside cooling fan automatically turns on, and the bottom cooling fan again can be manually turned on. And this concludes the demonstration of the IRPL550 rework system.